All right, here we are with myself, Adam, and Mike again. We are going to be doing the upper spinal floor twist EP exercise. So, Mike, thanks again for all the help today. And what we're going to be doing is starting up with the upper spinal floor twist. So, if you could please get in, it's going to be a pseudo fetal position. So, if you could just kind of lie back and then go into your right, have your knees out there, and we're going to make a 90-degree angle with those knees right there. Perfect. And then you're going to have your hands, they're going to be pointing the same direction as your knee, and you're just going to have them lying straight out in front of you. And then if you can just bring your knees up a little bit, and I know it feels weird, but it's just you really accentuate that 90-degree angle between your knees and also at your hip, your pelvic area. That's going to be a 90-degree as well. And so perfect, just like that with your hands straight ahead of you. And then what we'll do now is I want you to take your hand that's closest to the floor, and I'd like you to put it on your knees, please. And then from there, use that as your guide, and I really want you to just sync up and make a mirror image of your right and left leg. So I just want you to imagine that you're just dealing with some lumbar here, and you want your left leg to be exactly mirrored by your right leg. Just stack them right on top of each other. And you'll keep that, so that would be your right hand there, and you're just going to keep that on your knees through the duration of the exercise just to make sure that you've got the right and left knee just stacked right on top of it. And feel free to adjust it if it kind of gets out of pace. That's going to be one of the things that's just going to be kind of dynamic, and you're always going to be adjusting that to make sure that your hips are in alignment and your legs are too. So right now you're looking great. So what I'd like you to do now is you're ready to open up that left arm of yours. So just bring it up like a big hinge, and you're going to open it to the left side of your body. So there you go, take it down, and then perfect, palm down, and just rest that down on the floor. And as you're doing that, you're going to take your head, and it's going to follow that arm. So it's going to be looking in the same direction as that arm of yours. All right, and then just double check those knees for me, make sure that they're still stacked on top of each other. And then just try, and if you can't get that arm that you opened up down to the floor, that's not a big deal. Just you do it as much as you can without any severe pain. Are you feeling the pull in the stretch here, Mike? Yeah, it's a good stretch, isn't it? Perfect. All right. So keep that leg down there, and then put your head down there and keep a look at that. And so what we'll be doing with this exercise is we're going to be holding this one for 1 to 2 minutes, depending on the menu that we've been assigned. So great job once again, Mike. And then we'd also be repeating this on the other side. So we'd do this side for 1 to 2 minutes, and then we'd switch it up and do the other side for the exact same amount of time. So thanks again, Mike. Great job, and keep it up.